Ministry of Health. I've been coming in and going for trainings, and then I was able to have a resilience because I keep on a vulnerability about Sotho. So I'm a patriotic Mosotho. Kitsekin that moholo ager. Gabe kila naka ya makgolo nga matala. Kila ka trainer Cape Town. Kila ka ya Victor Babies in Romania. I've been in Dublin, Ireland. I've been going out. I've been doing consulting work regionally and internationally. But how do I do that? Pilaka ya siya maholo ha ke sheba vulnerability ya Basotho. Jwale isale ke bua ka bo le bonta because 90% ya mosebetsi wa rona ne go etsa laboratory ne le wa bomme le bana, but this time we nka a pendulum shift. Bonta te ba kula last week can to fell up, but we want that to have bana le cancer. And people die, and we see diseases de-escalate, and then we keep quiet. So, kilibitsolaka le, you know, kilerehelwa, kindate moholo le nna, kireletso ka ndate moholo. Ki mesebetsi ya ka yona, the last certificate se ke na sona ke sa NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, where we are using communication, personal development, to change the way your mind looks, looking at the neurological processes that you have to effect new change, goals, and success. So let's change our mindset. There's no need for you to catch the ball if you don't know where the goal is. So the goal of today's presentation is based on men's health. Basically, to create an awareness so that we mount preventive measures. Bontate ba kula, I get it. But we have seen that. Palo that 2014, and then now we are also raising the awareness for public and the policy makers, including the media. I get the media tengamo. But we did have a senate abonita terrible Kamoho oh yes Arangati. Won't never Swabuleka culture, the way we think. So now I'm going to say this is June, and this is the first time we celebrate men's health. We talk about men's issues. Can November we metlane kibueka November. More instead of saying November, Movember. You can Google that. Technology thing like Movember is a movement you want that never brandita sabona in the club way, especially health. Now June it can raise an awareness or should know about anything that affects me because Lima and WHO they are silent about me. Maternal child health. MCH, things like that. So, Bundati, high time let's follow because you are the leaders. And leaders, they lead from where they stand. I'm a leader, and then you are the leader of your own soul. Right. And then you steward your own health. So there's no business bigger than yourself. Wake up. Now go officially and come home na linane come home positive. Look, Melsa Willega Tabase. Linahane come home positive. How it's about here? Betty put a who is going to make push-ups for you? How it's always a push-up? Only obese Solomon Dick. Come out with a push-up. So sinahanang hangada sa affect our pelobaha. So our advocacy gore nahanang dwalaga bondat. Hobane kitsa mosala fela. Ha unahana. Uthi. Let's what? Nane hand. How nana zimbi dikaitsa hala. Udwala. Kitsa mosala. Mashwa how get camera. I get how wana moswan bomme o phahama ke mo tla ke moya ho etsalang ke ntho ya pele ke a hore jwale melaetsa ya bokombo ko bore ke mang ya responsible ha ke jwale moshanyana wa phahama ene haeba o no nahanne menahano e mebe jwalo ka ha mme a ile bua ka culture o qetella ona na menahano ya ho beta ha o taba tsena tlamehile re di bue so sinana becomes true in reality ga o kwana ke so sinana becomes true in reality so se fang boko ba hao se a etsahala jwale mafu a mangata a bolaya bontate ba ya shwa ba thotse ba switchile menahano ya bona ba emisitseng kaele nngwe ga o kwana seo se nahanang ha se le setle se tla se le setle mafu ana ke ona a bolayang bontate boholo ba ona ke non-communicable diseases ke tsena kaofela cancer wa bona ke jwale o shebe hore bomme ba bangata ho feta bontate hobane bontate ba spina dikoloi ho jwalo ba hlabana ka ntho tse kaofela ke bomme ba se ba boletse ka tsona jwale botho population ya rona re ba kae hona tje hohle mo ke tsamayang teng ha ba ntshe ba banna le bakalonyana banna ba teng ha ba tsebe etsa mosebetsi le ba kae ha le tsebe etsa mosebetsi bontate ha le tsebe etsa mosebetsi ba hana hangata tla fumana ditaba tsa lefatshe mona ho bua ka taba tsa bomme le bana la utlwana he la utlwana le financing fela ya health tla fumana ntse bua ka taba tsa ba le bomme rona they are silent about us ba ditse ba le silent ka rona ha ba re letho o tla utlwa ntse o bua ka tekatekano le ditokelo tsa basadi le bana and ba re sieletse ka theko because le rona we don't care what our business we are ignorant we like jwale dipalopalo ke tse ntse bontshang hore ehlile bomme ba bangata hore feta bontate ba risking ya ho shwa ho feta bomme hobane bontate ha ba ye ditsing. So today's presentations are based on advocacy ya hore le ye ditsing hobane bomme ba present ba itse le na le ego e ngata. You've got an ego le shebile bolona fela ha le shebe bolona ka mokgwa positive wa bophelo ba lona ya tlanga pele ke ya fertility ke tlanga number 1 self-esteem ya how you have to activate it tumane ho o monna yo o monna di ma ho ba la o monna la o monna o bile ka tshwantsho sa ha are you are me o monna ya ba o tlisetsa mosadi gore yena ta fa go be le good well-being mafua a re bolang ke ka baka la di drugs use di steroids di stimulated muscle empa qetellong di etsa hore o ska wa ba le dipeo tse nepahetseng ba tsoko ko baneng batho ba le laboratory ya bona ba elo ke ipotsana banna ba fokola mona health ba ke bona ba etsa sperm count ba tla tseba go tsena le depend nick cocaine le marijuana hona jwale ho so tsuwa na o ha o fitla bo Pretoria bo ka ga fela hona le dinkgonyana tse se nna le pipe di a tsuwa mono a dire it's on that side we are just about to ba batla hore the next day ke ba ba fedi ka o fela ntho tsena ka o fela di bolaya di sperm alcohol ke bola marwana ne a go monna ke ga ha o no qala o fika dilemong tsa go hlankana no base ko bana neng magwa ha wa testosterone ne le na go a qala mo bateng jwale ha o nwa bala o qetella sa fetisi tshebeletso o bolaya dipeo mme o sa buile ka ho tsuba ha o tsuba jwale wa utlwa hore e bolaya dipeo hape o bolaya dipeo ha o betso o na le stress o dumella hore o be le stress all the time o sa be le the positive thinking o sa re yes I can bounce back yes I can o ba weak in your mind o nahana tse tshosang state of thinking about going forward with life then o ba le mathata ka ngwana na mme o sa bile ka depression ebile ke a go tseba gore lona le nagana go ha e tla bona le tšhelete e ngata ko go be le sekotlo be le nyoko e ngata kere you don't know le ba senyana re na le tšhelete bo Bill Gates o tla mmona o na le tšhelete because you care about your weight, your life. Again, Marwano no Hawano, Konata is our very matat. Come Hotanang, Melsa won't say in our culture, how to hold out a fella. And I pay how current to a fellow who puts on a Hutsani, once in a nozy ink of it. That's our nature. And women have to understand our nature. Again, it's because of testosterone, men's hormones. Huh? It's because we are men and culturally we are brutish men. I get. It's because now we are exploring Mother Nature. I get. Usually, the risks that we go through, look at the risks. That's what know. That's the nature that we are in. So we are vulnerable. We have to embrace our body, mind, and soul in order for us to bounce back, to be resilient. Okay? Life is tough. Life is like a laboratory. They are experimenting all the time. Okay? But we have to win. Soldiers have to win. Okay? You don't have to give up. Usually, me, lona hotel na hanachina. Bunta teo tvanana. Get an NLP. NLP. I'm certified in neural practitioner, but I'm doing my PhD with the University of Siena as a neuroscience. I'm trying to study how the brain works. Healthy society with harina di palo tsena le sotuma. Ha ke tsebile ba mmemoelo le batho ba psychology le na le tsona mane ne tsa horna re na le batho ba kae ba na le mathata a sikitsena tsona bua ka tsona. If we have them, what are we saying? Is there advocacy that we're doing? Are we changing the way people think? Are we mounting intensive strategies? So now, really, visit because there's no business bigger than yourself. Mafu aka odimo go bontate ki cancer ina hanga dare fumana on autopsy. Hari etsa postmortem. Prostate cancer, Ebola bontate. Stomach cancer, corrosive, liver liver cirrhosis, kana ko mo ke go bona mahloko le ya mohlamo le ya qoqotho. Jwale bomme ba bolawa ke tsena le bontate ba bolawa ke mofetsona ona la nkuka bontate kana go mo ke le mane sa mo ke tata go bontate ba bolawa ke mofetsi bontate ba mono ba tsela ka ntle ba ntshe ba hona le monna ntsa pota mona go ba nna ba bana le matswe ene ba sa ile loro ka mane ka kwintone ke na le di case I get ke tsena le 30 years experience mo. Yeah, and I've been following that because I'm a cytologist. Cancer. I see that at the microscope. Lady Peps me I don't know how many women I have saved in my life, and they come back and say thank you. That's what I like. Lady Palapalo gets in WHO or 1 hour yabona halawa. Cancer, breast cancer, so we have to do something. How big is the problem? The problem is there. Do you know how other people do? Huh? Some people will say, we see there's a problem. Huh? I thought they were getting up come on. Some other guys from Monomotinyamutu. I can see how there's nothing I can do. I hope you are not like this guy and then the other guy. I hope you are like these people. You say in Lesotho you see men die and then watch some more because le shavas in the cities. and le basadi ba shwa and ke basadi ba gona ba nna le ba bone ba batlelwa ba tshabeya fela ba le haretsi ba haretsi mshumo haretsi mshumo. So the philosophies here, you will let me know now. Are we meeting the philosophy of today's talk? You have to build your dreams. Otherwise, someone will hire to build up his dreams. That's why I like Lemo Sevetimo. They hire because you don't push up with your dreams. Isn't it? Could be running your own business. Yeah? You'll be counting dollars. We have got a lot of online businesses. People are making money online because they have got dreams. So, build your dreams. And then you're actually where you are because you want to be there. When you were born, God knew you feel a purpose, you feel abundance, you feel almost everything. Time, talent, alpha, treasure. All what you do is to sit down and to see your target depression. Yeah? You don't wake up. So you have to change your attitude. Have a positive thinking. Develop self-confidence. Communicate. I guess you should have a balance. Culturally, but what the early 60s, really fashion in Peter Stuyvesant, Manana Batlamba ne? The adverts were there. Peter Stuyvesant, Banana Batsutin, the Rata Banana Batsutin, and then Kinseyman and Riamat Kone Retsuba. Doctors were smoking. Everybody was smoking. I don't know how to be. Even the bishops. I don't know how to be no card. But it's killing us. You understand? So let's stop that attitude. These are the products that are in tobacco, and then the industry knows that. That's how they are making billions on your health. Banale paint, banale ammonia, banale methanol, carbon monoxide, le formaldehyde. You know, don't you I can't theater. House winning a mamone belin selagara formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is there, it's a preservative. And I recipe some more man. I think it's actually celebrating. Go allow samples in the little saga. Or Ramon, eh? It's about the diagnostic cancer. I got a linear civil heart. I must write them on. We have got all the body of knowledge. Lung cancer is if manner on autopsy. Ibola bontati. Ibola woman bontati. When the idea of that Noah was the mining silicosis, asbestosis, Kana Kongwele, Dumko Wanamashok, or women polyoma virus. It's the papilloma polyoma virus. Ronaria is even to think at Bonacama. HIV, cytomegalovirus, TB, listening golf, to mention the few. Ebola, Bundati, with our can carry a matcha. Usually, what this is our and more no. Dinga that virus still one of which we should be able to mount men-friendly centers. That's not diagnose. So we still have to plan. What we see is only the tip of an iceberg, but there's a lot that affect men. Jale wone hem akafa motho a tsuba. Jale ba bang ba tsubela le ba neng mona. Ba tetella ba le bana ba sele. Tsa ngwana ka sele. Bona ka ba ngwana ka ba palamisa ba tsama. Gobane re ba hole kwana we start talking with them go ba hlaha. Re tsebe go ba fe the good health. So bona matshwafo ha o tsubana o tla go jwa. We don't like cancer. Bona na shoshobane jwa. Would you like to be like this? And now, what's my motivating about dictated to an extent that last and that hotel found the matter and not to. e mong a khohlela ka ntate o ba tsube ka re kopa o le cell o bona hore o ikenehetse mindset ha ba tlo le cell. This is how we look at it on histology. Samples in our shaman microscope when I bona ke cancer ke squamous cell carcinoma and angata kitse ba fumana o sentse ba shwila ke postmortem etsa motho a sa shwila ke. But that's a tip of an iceberg. We have to mount intensive prevention services in autopsy. Prevention strategies. We can screen silicosis asbestosis. Kamadi, the laboratory, cornerstone of diagnosis, cornerstone of health. Swine flu. But what's a margin starting, but have swine flu, but any end of the day, what a shame. Number killer disease, cancer of the lung, but that's about swine flu, but once about warning about smoking kills. If it's cancer, smoke was in a little chemicals with some benzo. Benzo, is benzo shaped, phenolic ring. The react DNA, because only have a professional in here. So they are very electrophilic with DNA pyrimidine bases, purine and pyrimidine bases. Those therefore overlay change of reaction, genetic makeup changes. Therefore overlay cell division. Then clone of all those cells become cancerous. Cancer ena e tlatsa makamadi, tlatsa magadi suicide, the lonja hohle mo fitlhang teng e etsa wanya hola ya ja. It's right about it. Alcohol also has got those phenolic rings, so it's very copanale DNA. Now, the chemicals that are both xylon, formaldehyde, and it's in the Shahaman tobacco. Even the chimney dwellers, the Shumela. How my reaction again? But most of them know one of banal cancer, your name, cockroach. The studies are that going to we also test this enzyme, which is also linked to that. So we have to mount a lot of studies. Again, program the program and NCDs. This is how we look at it, squamous cell carcinoma under the microscope by a cytologist. Renale de Barrett esophagus. I agree, Kokotoya to a Kenakamoka Rastamagager. Man would go panens finta mono, Honale, the cells produce a Newcastle mono, Kenelanga Harager. So a hands was shots, I will down to shots. I go back now, but the Ratao Ja or Villa shots. Go with a lot of flaxin on the Kelakaudi Mugamanager. You are pruning yourself to having what? Barrett esophagus. You agree to yourself to be prone to Barrett esophagus. So it's very common over that. So give money, we wash that our very sharp. It's really Mansaukian. What at a Guina, one Fuga, Monagama Funga fella, or we are at Tata, Ugasalmakere, out to long building, over Lemari hard for shell at Tabazin coffee. Truth in a coffee like a masol, Camilo, or never really have professional receive to be a son, I guess. When in fact, country man can if we have a bed, it's even that was how I came cancer yama suffer, how am I doubt of money when that Babatina, by Jama food, Abasa quickly, Valley, we are more going about mafura ka wona who tell la ho bala marwana ne outing testosterone, high levels of testosterone, the estrogen. Estrogen kaofela has been linked to cancer ya breast. So when that don't have mana bana le matswele mona ba le dipit le bana ba steroids like testosterone boys bana ba steroids like by kenta ka steroids so gabe di phaka like they are prone to having that. Re bitsa ka re ke gynecomastia ho la ono ho bontate. And then I've seen a lot of cases in my practice. Tsa gynecomastia. Ke fed deposition there, yeah, proliferator. And then when that it had to be breast self-examine yourself. Because there's no business bigger than yourself. It had to be saying out I'm still or not to allow Halil. Why it's a hard? There was one time I could go out, maybe it was in my head. That's prevalence here now. I've seen a lot of cases sick and I can slide is my laptop crashed, so I cannot slide but this is the overall peak that is global. 62, 90 infancy, or like stage something mehr willing got on the Orangazo. I'm a one answer I could say. So, what does it tell you? It tells you from every stage, social clubs, where we mentor each other, we talk, peer, run. So, look, I'm listening to culture, ya hot, I get. Because we love each other. That's an advocacy. Gynecomastia is caused by so many things. Physiological, puberty, 1, 2, 3. Pathologically, cancer, drugs. Drugs are exit. Hypothyroidism, liver cirrhosis, now, gynecomastia. The hormone, the psychoactive drugs. The treatment, I don't like treatment. What's I could say after 30 years of practice in the medical side, NLP and natural healing, phenomenal. Yeah, I'm anti-drugs nowadays because I've seen how they do. So they all contribute to gynecomastia. So happy when breast cancer. Matchao ko na no mutabona ho ba le lampo ho ba le madi ho ba le discharge ho ba le tabatseno le bontate ba shwa ka pelenyana survival rate is so poor because nama tsa bona di haufinyana ke whereas bo me ho le ketla so mo no ba le ntho thweng ke metastasis ko bolela hore di tsamaya ka madi le ka ditshwelesa ke they will be found lodging hohle mmeleng ke and the survival rate of that is worse. So it's a common one. Tashwaga Plenian home natural fashion. Angada prostate cancer, the breast cancer both. They are genetically predisposed. BRCA gene, BRCA2 gene. It's a horror of man or both breast cancer and prostate cancer. While predisposition and but one predisposition in the air. 7 times at higher risk, manali BRC2. But prone to have prostate cancer. It look at prostate cancer because when that one but Taba Hoya, especially collateral Hoyas with Anati, Kitashapa per Kisegwan genetic predisposition, BRC1, BRC2, Kitty gene into a log, get breast cancer, one breast cancer 2. So we are able in the lab to map these genes and hormonal deletion, gene deletion. Suicide DNA mapping and DNA PCR. So these are the tests that need to be mounted in this country. This is a sign of breast. That you know what clinical breast examination. Or that demo I'm with one. I'm now can shasho that. More on my I think about and can shasho. I can go to shasho. Eh? How you did now all a more? I'll bet it's a bit more resort. Okay, Tawas guy good support more. I get. Because it's not in our culture. So the wake up where this with this laboratory tests which are easily available. I'm talking to nurses here, they are here, I can have professional. You have to do all this FSH, TSH, the LH, but hang out of mana but one banal prono vale HCG. We find that HCG positive. Yes, I think it's taking that demo horona. The Americans sometimes I'm so they are not here. They are promoting this homosexuality and all those things, lesbian, gay, whatever. Because that's about Wagangana Haina Bed. I think about how when I have an patriotism. But when I got to a woman, so now got to Rixana Haina guys. So they want people to turn around to become all those funny things to the master bopa. Mulimu is omona, off on side. How come I find the other this other the book in okay? I'm an activist. Hanek Africa, Cape Town, 1990, it was Cologne. Kina go no mount to 1991, who mount to a lesbian one-to-one homosexuality. I was so surprised at medical school. This guy's man about him. I can't get up on Miss Nate. What to get into this? So the lab code and the Tinami at Safari. Cytology in the Safari could do the Baba. About him. Baby, by some work out to with the activism near about one. I became one about 2 years ago. One of I didn't say none about our street. But Palama Colo at some of our hotel. You are looking where Pupo Yawanaki wonder. A Kata Salipio when I listen, it's a bladder. Last time I laid the bollots in at the pedicilla canal golf. It's a gland, it's called a prostate gland. Most that's why you know. The liquid fruit, what is on our jelly, cheche. Yeah? You guys, we're not going to go, never get check and to say. No. Every day, I answer what Baba listen to this, Baba and Hano. Have a part of a man is about him, man, when you have a you know, when the stage is someone else to do to another deeds, I guess. The other man since about better wet dreams, Dalibata. It's fine. Well, but I'm a mono cheese and a hanal sabati. Dale, Mkele Bolotina, it's on for some prosecutions. I get really do Salanaga sword. It's very close to who the rector might know. And then kill Rethra when I can pipe in it and make some Mosisi. It's your mona. Usually, Kitty Bolo gets an Akataska. And the ball is in a general what the league last man. Still like play some shoes. No. Cannot go more power, I was Podilos at the underwear. Because how is a lot of that daughter? Usually, Rivali cancer bladder, hunger is very common over to an lay bar on finally human papillomavirus. Cannot go with very common over to what your one. Episcopal cancer, Kabakala cytovirus, all this virus, HIV, the virus in offer on the prostate inhibitor. Get here, you didn't inhibit target. protease inhibitors. Cyclophosphamide, cyclovirus sebediswa bakeng sa tuta cancer and mycin and herpes tse ding. But it's also causing the genes to transmutate on the DNA. All right. I'm talking ke ne ke re bana ba ntseng ba sekolong ba tsile ke a lebo jwale ntle le mono no hona ho thweng ke prostate lona e kgathatsa bontate ha e hola mona ho thwe ke benign prostate hyperplasia e hola ho tloha age of 40 upward. As a result ya hore jwale ho tla bonala ha e hola ha se bolela hore ke mofitsi ha o kwa bontate ba tlamehile hore ka nako eno ebe ba ya dipetlele ke fete slide sena ke bontshe hore ke ya modimo with age ya hola ha se bolela hore ke mofitsi ha e hola go bolela hore matshwao a tla ba teng mona e tla peteletsa senya sena ke mona urethra ho jwala ke e be le hore mosesotsa ka thata kana go ngwa ga bosiu be go tswa ka thata be mme wa khika wa mahatsitsa madi a tshwana kana go mo fumana hore ha o tswa mono no o tswa o tshisa aga jwale kana go yena ke nako ena go hlokang ho ye ngakeng o bane o na le matshwao a belaetsang mape the risk factors are ba le cancer ena ke tsona tsentsa age ha o solo moholo re sheba hape hore na o hlala beng le feng ka ka kitse go bua ka lefutso le hore na e atile haholo ho rona batho ba ba le hore na o ja tse mafura ha kae le hore na ha ona history e nngwe ya bo tswekere hypertension okay le hore na wa jima wa control physical activity and all those le yona history yona e no ya HPV le Epstein Barr virus ke di virus tse o hlengare bontate mollang ba nene ka iphumana le na le mathata ha le infections okay ha re betse re feta hape re ile ra re le rolena le ho thweng ke testosterone le tsang ho bontate be ba etsa ba bohla ke sex hormone bo yona hape is also na bo steroid jwale ho yona mono e ka nne ya khosa bothata ba ho ehlile we are linking a lot of prostate cancer with this. You'll be what I convention mafurano into testosterone again. Therefore, ubatsi zinyaho ibe ubali yona prostate cancer, Mona can buy kubunsa fellow nuts is a black. Hitler wina ya bladder cancer. Leona I commonia holo but ba laman monal belhazia, the HPV. Can you think of the Gatsonancy? Taba tsa gona tsa tsatsing ke tsa hore ha e hola e bitswa ba bona ha ke sa lekana ena ntse lokile le nyana ke tlhatlhoba ya pele ke ya madi o tlamelo ho hwe madi test that thing bitswa prostate specific antigen tlamelo le etse PSA le ha o sa sebetse ha o fotla melo o etse ba ho le ntate e hwa madi it's easy done but ha e le jwalo ka boyona ha e really tho tlamelo ho be le the second test it's one ye re bitsang ka hore ke digital rectal examination go bolela hore ne se tlamelo hore re ke fete ke tla tla sona slide se ha ke na le sona ke tla go mora yeah ne se ka ponga ka tlamelo ra a kenya monwana mona a tlo go tla palpita mona a o fumana hore na itinya ha kae grade ya kae e ka le hlabong le feng how hard is it that's digital palpitation again that is the problem number one because ho tloa hodimo ka hara naha ka mona ya class ba tshaba mme o bile ka culture the mindset mme o bile ka the mindset ba tshaba ke re le nna e hlile ke test fela ke a Bloemfontein fela ntse ke hitla hangata because I actually it's a matter of changing the mindset but what we are trying to say today let's change that mindset because it's for my health. It's for my health. It's for my health. If it's for my health, ko bolela hore ke tlamehile ho eketswa ke nke boikarabelo bophelong ba ka. Utlwana ke? Ke tlamehile ho nka boikarabelo bophelong ba. There's no business bigger than myself. There's no business bigger than my health. I'm the steward of my own health. You have to be proud of yourself. Have self-confidence. Smile all the time. Because I would say, I'm going to go fella, you're giving yourself happiness almost. Or tell us stress. Look. Hey, BPH is a good guy, now talk about one go fella. And now go your name, I can't go with a million for it. This goes down with age. It goes down too. But Rabanya, even some bad hotel. You believe another thing, I can't about the whole now when that more. How about our nose is up into one about Potella Pony about woods? Tipadi and I'll say, Morena hang or mamma see, Perea wood. How one month on the guy? Can it do 22? Oh, no, 22. Bajama fuga, bajama name. I get bajama. Testosterone levels that one go and they are prone to having one prostate cancer. By genetically modified foods. Who is in 6 weeks? Baby chicken. Rally Kapala slides in a car fellas on a let's see it seeing everybody's on the risk. Man's however, Kiana or Kian, Kiasha system. Kiddy science of home. Max, I will show back Kiana. Who will look around Tamezi? Well, this is having a hard time studying or stopping the urine. How won't Tamezi? Oh, how can I stop? Oh, shall stop it? No, you are damaging the rest. How is a valuation look like no, how you are damaging yourself. Let's get a lesson unhappy. Look, I get a memorability, but now have Albania, never Shangan. Mobile and bank. Pansava Bonsana, or I Huluaka. I get Imba have a several holo Balkan and winter to Vanavagam. Basse Batava who work on I Huluaka. Who banning how to run? Culture. Matsakiana, Value, good of Madame Tratin Sutu, high justice, Ubabu Shuka, Keval Matata, is at Valan. Ubabu Shukola, Nava, Ansan Piozan, I guess. Hala Sama, Ubabu Shuk. Rally, Bushuko, no Kibanava, Hunale cancer, and then Untel Mono, Tafmano, and Zabalamu Chesenia, Capitol. I guess, however, Palamon, man, but they are Soma. How come a chair? New. One unaling, unalas cane. Bagan Sawetawa, Sawat Seta. They are so man, Mugabarabi. Let's change that culture. But if man or Galahan Summit, you value Madiana Mono, who are for order, and then you cannot go out of man or Kilubono Hore, without a man or how Kibana or Lulu who say even walking your cassette. Without a man killing Mukutawa. Amusis. High with the extent that one can say it's a Madalakala in all directions. It's like a guy. Come on, and a car moment, that's one day. Jolo Tatama, at in the Sutu, Ilamutra from Piang, Anali, Litankaya. Yamasi. Even in the Ramosema, Ramose, but every blood Boramuti. I knew Tamagatangamasi. Why the hell? One has ability good moral fiber, spectacles of morality. Harry Jimmy that, Kiketide, Harry quickly. Nobody is going to do the push-ups for you. Stand up, about resilience. Harry and my king, one in them that out, Nesset out, Shivata, Kemachawan, difficulty urinating, weak urine flow, blood in semen. Erectile dysfunction. Even your eye, you have man, by any man, Vanami Ruto, Bana, Houtsman, Hotodia, Kapaki, Banzavanola, o tla ba bona mona ka ntle koloi mona ha ke senyetse tate no business ba ke hohle mona ba nna ntho tse ba sa tsebeng ba re e ntle molamong jwale rona re batla ho tle o tlo testa re batla ho tle re tlo testa wonta tennis ba tlamelo go ba le go tia ho testa mona na le se le go tia ho testa memtsango le curriculum ya o tla go tia wonta tennis go etsa le bo menes ga ukwana mona ke di stage tse fapaneng. This presentation is meant for different people. Jwale re gona hore ebe re batla le fuwe support ke slide sa ka sa botsetela se ke bontshitse hore there are so many genetic defects tse teng ka ofela mona tseo batho ba nang le tsona anda ho hlokahalang ko hore di health worker ka ofela di trainer on the basis of cancer ya bontate ya hola re bele meralo ile ba etsa mo trainer batho bana ka ofela ba beteng ke batho ba fanang ka tshezo bana ka ofela ntle le mono re tlamehile ho ba le di health club tsa rona go bua ditaba tse re ama hobane ditaba di ngata ha se tsa nako e nyane ke ya lebo
di rokela ntate sejojo ke ba tsena tsa ka nke empa ena monana ka morao yona ta be thata bomme le botate ehlile re batla re se re lekisana